So now we have next order in the subgroup of class Insecta, Apterygota, and this order is Collembola. Collembola is one of the largest primitive order in the class Insecta, and they are a primitive type of insects. They are devoid of wings. They are apterygotes. And if we further classify the Insecta, there are two groups. One is Intognathus and other is Ectognathus. Okay, so this Collembola is a part of Intognathus, that is their mouth parts are not visible over here. They are embedded inside. So this is the example of a Collembola. This Collembola is commonly known as springe tail because they have a structure which we call furcula, and this furcula is a pseudo tail. It is not a true tail, but it resembles like a tail, so that's why it is called springe tail. If we look to the head, there are no compound eyes. It lacks compound eyes, but instead of compound eyes, there are small 3 to 8 ocelli are present over here, which perform the sensory function. Okay, next is its thorax. So its thorax consisting of three parts. This is the prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax, and all these three parts are equal in size. Now come towards the abdomen. The abdomen of this Collembola is 6 segmented. You can see from segment number 1 to segment number 6. In this diagram you can see that this Collembola has three appendages. Okay, the very first appendage is present in the sternum number 1. This is sternum number 1. So over here you can see a bilobe structure is present, and this bilobe structure is called ventral tube, and this ventral tube helps in anchoring of the animal to the substrate. Next very important appendage is the furcula. Furcula is present in the segment number 4, and this furcula has a small body. This you can see over here. This body is called menobrium, and from this menobrium there are two dents. These are called dents. So this furcula, it acts as a springing organ. When this animal is being disturbed in the environment, so this become activated and help in the jumping of the animal from that place. Now coming towards the antenna, so its antenna is variable in different groups, but usually the antenna is 4 segmented. There are 4 segments in the antenna. If we look toward the sexual dimorphism in this group, there is no obvious sexual dimorphism, and the genitalial aperture is present at the end of segment number 5. The integument of this animal is usually hairy or scaly type. Scale types, here scales are present over here, sometime on the entire skin, or sometime it is confined to specific areas. Like over here you can see this is present in the mesothorax, the mid thorax, and in the last abdominal segment.